Bill Goudy checking in. It's 86 degrees, a little bit after 6 p.m. It's been a long day. Got a lot of stuff done today. Sure have. Didn't I, Luce? Yeah. I don't know. Can you see her back there? She's back there running around doing something. Getting some smoke coming from the charcoal. Going to have some stuffed peppers tonight. But before we do that, let's have a vessel of amber fluid. Let's get our priorities straight, shall we? My favorite on a hot day. Oh, I'm telling you. Yeah, my favorite. Thank you, Mark. You guys are going to get a chance to win one of these. It's a neck knife. And we're going to have a giveaway here shortly. It's coming. Crawdaddy Forge made this. And if you want to order one of these knives, his link is down below. I'll be giving a couple away here shortly. Oh, look at that. A generous pour. Bush. I'm going to use a camp-made charcoal tonight. I have found it's so easy just to light that charcoal rather than tend to fire. I just light the charcoal and forget about it until it's ready. Once it's ready, I'll put that Dutch oven on there. Brian Rogowski, I think it was Brian, requested that I do stuffed peppers again. I did them, I don't know, a year or so ago, and I did stuffed green peppers. And I was going to use peppers out of my garden, and I found these peppers, and these look so good. So I got 2 yellows, 2 reds, and 2 oranges, bell peppers. And I got them all washed off and everything, and I'm going to stuff them for you, and then we'll cook them in the Dutch oven, cast iron Dutch oven. Thank you, Camp Made. I'll put a link to Camp Made down below. You guys want some Camp Made stuff, anything they got, put Goudy 20 in. You'll get 20% discount. And I think they got some free shipping right now. You can't hardly beat that. I've used a variety of different types of stuffing of my peppers, and tonight I'm going to use hamburger with some cream cheese, garlic, yeah, a whole head of garlic, cut up, yeah, minced garlic, I guess, and I always put cheese in there, but I'm going to use pepper jack and Colby Jack cheese. Let me think, what else? Oh, Texas Pete. Yeah, this is the first time for Texas Pete. I haven't made it with Texas Pete before, so I'm anxious to try that. And a little bit of pepper. Now, salt is optional. I'm not using any salt in mine, but some people could. I've used rice-a-roni back before I was low carb. Rice-a-roni was real easy to make the rice-a-roni ahead of time, and then just stuff the peppers with rice-a-roni and cook them. But yeah, I'm low carb now, so I was looking for some of my rice cauliflower, but I didn't have any with me. I don't know if I'm out or if I'm overlooking it. I'm thinking another vessel. I've earned it. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Wild West. That is an excellent vessel. That's a generous pour. Look at that. So I got, I shredded some Kobe Jack. In here I got some pepper jack. In here I got cream cheese, hamburger, onion. I forgot to tell you I put some of that red onion in there and garlic. So I always start out by putting in a little bit of cheese right in the bottom. And a little hamburger. I just layer this is what I do. Look at that, will ya? Looks like I only have 5 processed cheese, so I got 6 peppers. So one of those is going to have to go without cheese. Oh well, I'm roughing it. I'll only eat 2, and then I'll have 2 more meals. You know, I like the leftovers. Although they're talking we're going to be in a fair weather pattern. So, but as busy as it's been, yeah, it won't hurt to have the leftovers. Here's the secret. Yeah, water, about a cup of water. And I tell you what, this is hot right now. Look at that. Yeah, that steam, I leave about, yeah, that much. Oh, about 20 minutes, I suppose. I like to keep my peppers just a little bit crunchy. That's a personal preference. The hard part is done. Yeah, just gotta let it cook now. All I do is sit back and wait and have a vessel of amber fluid. Think about our priorities, keeping them straight. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. Look at that, will you? Oh. That was 45 minutes. I think I could have gone 30. I think I really could have, because that pepper is not crunchy. It is totally done, but I don't mind. I'm hungry. Can you see that? Can you see that? You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. Hot. Look at this red pepper. Look at that. I can taste that Texas Pete in there. And that is good. I'm telling you. A nice addition. Getting dark. Too dark to see. Got my lanterns. Thank you, Calvin. Calvin's Corner 72. I'm going to finish eating. I'm going to crash out. I'm going to do it all again tomorrow. I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Oh, Lucy's out too. Can you see her? She's back here. Lucy, you out? Lucy's out too. It don't get no better. That is so good.